Hi, I'm Morgan from the Ninja Product Group, and I'm here today to walk you through our greatest and latest product innovation. The Ninja Pulse is a complete system to inspire and simplify healthy living for your on-the-go lifestyle. Introducing our Pulse technology. It puts the power in the palm of your hand with no buttons to fuss with. You control the speed and the power for optimal performance. Now let's go through what's included in your package. First, the 40-ounce processing bowl with Ninja Blade technology, single-serve blending and drinking cups, drinking lids, single-serve blade set, cookie dough paddle, dough blade, and 40-ounce storage lid.